class, and into this video we're looking at this particular question. The board says evaluate 64 over 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3. So how do we solve this question? Now, because this everything here is raised to the power of a fraction, so what we do, we introduce the square root, and everything here will be inside the square root. 64 over 125. Then this your denominator will be the divisor, and everything raised to the power of 1. Alright, so now this 3 here is asking a question: what number will multiply itself 3 times to give you 64? And I think that is 4 times. Alright, I have 4 times 4 times 4 all over. What number will multiply itself 3 times to give 125? We have 5 times 5 times 5. So the cube root of this will now be 4 over 5. And remember, everything is raised to the power of 1. So 4 over 5 to the power of 1 is the same thing as 4 over 5. So guys, if you gain value from this particular question, please do press the notification button in case you have not done that, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to see it. And also please do subscribe to my channel, and also share and like.